For decades, Pringles have dominated the snack aisle with their unique saddle shape and satisfying. They are one of the world's most recognizable snacks. But the story of how they are made is far more complex. And frankly, far more shocking than you might imagine, because despite what the flavor suggests, Pringles are not made from sliced whole potatoes. In fact, Pringles are a marvel of food engineering, created from a precise dough mixture. The main component is 42% potato starch supplemented by rice flour and corn flour. But how does this powder become the perfectly curved chip we know and love? The journey begins not in a kitchen, but on a massive scale, starting right from the harvest. Specialized machinery works tirelessly, harvesting up to 7 tons of potatoes at once, immediately separating them from soil and stones using vibrating pipe systems. Once at the factory, the potatoes undergo intense scrutiny. Optical sensors perform quick triage, automatically sorting out any spuds that are blemished, too small, or deemed imperfect. Only the absolute best are moved forward. These selected potatoes are then subjected to high-pressure water, washing, and peeled, using rotating abrasive drums that meticulously scour away the skin without damaging the potato flesh itself. This is where the process fundamentally diverges from traditional. The peeled potatoes are sliced small and boiled for exactly 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. This boiling process is critical. It gelatinizes the starch, ensuring the final chip will have that signature, smooth texture. The potatoes are then mashed into a smooth puree before being dried over hot rollers. This process transforms the puree into razor-thin sheets, which are then crushed into dry flakes. These flakes are the true raw material of Pringles. In the next stage, these potato flakes are poured into giant mixers along with water, rice flour, corn flour, specific oils, and flavorings. This combination results in a dense yet pliable DOA consistency often compared to slightly wet sand. The goal is uniformity, ensuring that every batch behaves identically. This dough is then rolled out into a perfectly flat sheet, exactly 1 millimeter thick, before high-speed cutters stamp out 6.5 centimeter circles. The remaining dough scraps are immediately recycled back into the process, maximizing efficiency. Now comes the engineering marvel that gives Pringles its identity. The flat dough circles are individually placed onto specially designed, curved metal molds. These molds are crucial because they impose the specific hyperbolic paraboloid shape that iconic saddle curved the chip. This unique geometry allows them to nest perfectly inside one another and provides incredible structural resilience. With their shape set, the chips enter the fryer. Unlike thick-cut potato chips that need several minutes, Pringles only require an astonishing 11 seconds in hot oil exceeding 170 degrees Celsius. This flash frying is enough to achieve a perfect golden color and that famous Pringles crisp. The short frying time also results in a lower oil content compared to many competing snacks. After the oil is drained and the chips have cooled slightly, the flavoring process begins. A finely calibrated liquid spray coats the chips, ensuring the seasoning adheres evenly to the entire surface, providing flavor consistency in every bite. Finally, packaging. Because of their precision shape, the chips can be stacked flawlessly, which is not just satisfying to look at, but essential for shipping. They are carefully lowered into the iconic cylindrical tube, a container specifically chosen not only for its distinct look, but for its ability to protect the chips from crushing during transit and, most importantly, shielding them from humidity, ensuring they remain perfectly crunchy until the moment you pop the lid.